Alright, guys, welcome to AI Data Analysis and Business Analysis. And this is brought to you by the Adenovo AI Foundation, and I'm your tutor. We're going right into the use of AI tools for creation of presentation slides. Alright, now it's very, very paramount in business analysis and data analysis. Is being able to present your findings to stakeholders. Alright, so a core skill you need to have is how to create presentation slides, how to communicate your findings, how to properly present it. So you know about the use of PowerPoint, PPT files, and AI has come to simplify all of that process. AI has come to simplify all of that process. I'll introduce you today to an AI tool called Gamma AI. So let's get straight right up into it. Gamma AI for creation of presentation slides. Let's check it out, guys. Oops, it seems the network is quite slow. The network is quite slow. Okay, let's see how it goes. We use the very first link here, Gamma AI, gamma.app, and we'll see a new medium for presenting ideas powered by AI, beautiful presentations, documents, and websites. No designer coding skills required. So we'll proceed to logging in, and what we usually do is log in with your Google. It's no need to sign up from scratch. So I'll log in with my Google account. Alright, I'm done with that. So welcome to Ghana. Get started. Give your workspace a name. What do I name it? Okay, I'll call it this. How do you plan to use Gamma AI? Personal use. Work. What kind of work? Data. How did you hear about us? From a friend or a colleague? Tell us about yourself. Too much stress. Okay, so we'll go over to import file or URL. Okay, let's see. Let's generate. We'll click on this option. Generate. Continue. So we're just going to prompt the AI. Let's see. What do you think we should create a slide on? See. What do you think we should create a slide on? Just a minute, guys, please. What do you think we should create a slide on? What do we create a slide on? What do we create a slide on? I'll say, okay, we can do healthcare. Healthcare for children. Let's create a slide presentation on that. Healthcare for children. Or let's do something relating to, let's say AI for the disabled. Let's say the physically disabled. We'll also generate a slide for maybe AI for, okay. So we'll see, it has generated subtopics. Now this thing you see here, 8 cards, means it's the number of slides. You can make it 10, but let's just leave it as 8. We're not doing anything so intense. Then if you go down, you'd see amount of text per card. And let's say I don't want it to be too detailed, so let's leave it as medium. I don't want so much write-ups everywhere. Playground. Let's see. Background, stable diffusion. I'll select image in Flash. So let's just go ahead to generate. We'll select the style of the, I think I'll prefer this kind of a slide. I like this color. But there are many other colors here. There are many other templates you can select from. Well, I'll choose this. I'll stick with this. Let's see. We'll go over to generate. So you click on generate. It's generating the slides already. The presentation. So we'll do multiple examples and just see how it goes. Okay, you see. So Gamma AI is generating every single thing for us, and we'll go through the write-up. And the beautiful thing about this is you can have this edited, like what you created. Hide. I'm not ready for this. So I requested for 8 slides. I hope 8 slides have come out. Yeah, 8 cards. Oops, I don't like this notifications popping up. Okay, let's go to presentation mode and see how our work looks. So from the start, introduction to AI for the physically disabled. This is me. Yeah, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how individuals with physical disabilities interact with the world. It enhances independence, mobility, and communication. Okay, let's see. Beautiful, quite some beautiful AI-generated images there. Assistive technologies enhancing mobility and independence. Smart wheelchairs. So these are AI innovations, smart wheelchairs, adaptive mobility devices, voice-activated assistants. Yeah, so computer vision and prosthetic limb control, image recognition, real-time feedback, increase autonomy. Wow, this is quite beautiful. Conversational AI, improving communication and accessibility, voice recognition. So we know that advanced AI recognizes speech patterns, enabling easier user interaction. Natural language processing, AI interprets commands contextually, enhancing communication efficiency. Accessibility features, settings are customizable to ensure everyone can communicate comfortably. Robotic exoskeletons, empowering physical compatibilities. Okay, let's see that. Design and development, enhanced strength, improved mobility. Robotic skeletons. This is quite a beautiful picture here. This reminds me of a particular movie, I don't know. Adaptive user interfaces. Now, if you notice the text, the descriptions, the write-up is not as much because I selected medium. If I selected detailed, it would have been more detailed than this. Alright, so it's something I want you to observe. Alright, something I want you to observe. Let's see. Adaptive user interfaces, personalized experience, customizable layout, gesture recognition, voice control systems. Okay, and these are all innovations and customizable layouts. Users can adjust interface to meet their own needs and preferences. AI interprets user gestures, allowing seamless interactions without traditional control. Okay, so these are features. AI-powered rehabilitation and therapy. Yeah, personalized program engagement techniques, real-time monitoring. Quite a beautiful picture there. And this is the conclusion, I think. The future of AI in disability empowerment, innovative solutions, sustainable development, global collaboration. So we'll come to the end of the slide here. This is quite a beautiful one. I love the graphics, I love the color, I love the write-up, I love the subheadings. So we'll go over to generating, let's generate something else. First of all, I'll save this. I'll exit presentation mode. I love this slide and I'm going to save it. I can make it available for you guys. Although I don't see the need for that, but let's export. So these are your export, guys. You can also edit this. You can see I can move around, I can edit. Alright, so I'm going over to exporting this now. See, export. I'll export this as a PowerPoint file, and I'll export it as a PowerPoint file. It's exporting, it takes some time to export. Then from there, we would move on to, alright, I think that's exported. So introduction to AI for the disabled, okay. We can open it up to see how it looks. We've done that already. So I would go over to home. Let's create something for, let's create something like AI in the, say AI in business analysis or something. I don't know. Let's see. So let's say AI in business analysis. We're going to use this slide in our business analysis class. All right. So let's create new AI. Generate. So I'll make these 10 cards. I want it to be a little bit more detailed. So let's say AI in business analysis. Business analysis. I didn't tell you about this. Now you have to be very careful. The language you select here. This will determine the language your presentation will come out in. So AI in business analysis. Let me generate the outline. Generating the outline means I'm generating subheadings for the 10 cards. That's the 10 slides. So I can edit any of the headings. You know, these headings are what, or these descriptions per card is basically what the AI would work with. Now I want this to be a little bit more detailed. Is what the AI is going to work with to create the presentation slide for you. The playground image flashing. This looks more mature. That's why we got those kind of mature images now. This looks much more like an AI generated image, but this looks pretty much better. I prefer it. So let's see AI images. Now we can decide the images, AI generated images or web search images. Now the issue with selecting web search images, it's so we can see most relevant image. Licensing is unknown. For use for image license, for personal use like school projects, free to use commercially, only use image license for commercial use like sales pitch. So the issue with using internet generated images, like it's usually the licensing issue, the factor of the license factor. Yeah, that's the issue. The licensing issue, the whole license, your factor around the license. Alright, so that is usually the issue. Okay guys, so we would go on to we'll continue from here. Alright. We'll continue from here, but a minute guys. So we'll continue from here. I'm not going to select web image. I'm going to make it a generated image. See flash and image in flash rather. And let's see. I think I like the headings generated. Introduction to AI for business. Defining business analysis, role of AI in business analysis, data gathering and analysis, predictive modeling, process optimization, automated reports and dashboards, reporting and dashboard, AI-powered decision support, ethical consideration. Oh well, this is beautiful. Let's generate. Let me continue. Just click on continue. I think I want this a little bit dark. What should look like? I think I'm falling in love with dark themes. Okay, I like basic black. Let's leave it at that. So I'll generate. Click on generate. It's generating already. Let's see what comes out of this. Let's see what comes out of this. Remember, we selected 10 cards, and this is going to be a little bit more detailed than the previous because I asked for much more detail, much more details rather. I think I really love the images being generated here. Let's see. Let's see. The slide is looking quite beautiful. Let's ignore this. I think we're ready to fly. So let's take this to presentation mode and see how beautiful what we've created turns out to be. I love the AI generated images. It looks really beautiful and natural. So introduction to AI in business analysis. So we see some sort of a definition here, then defining business analysis, role of AI in business analysis, data gathering and analysis, predictive modeling, process optimization, automated reports and dashboards, AI-powered decision support. You have your scenario. I'm not going to go through all of this. I just want to show you the slides. So ethical consideration in AI during business analysis and future of AI in business analysis. Now, this looks quite beautiful. We'll call it a day here. Call it a day here. Now I've shown you what the Venturous, what Gamma AI can be used for. Let's save this. I'll export it first. So I'll export it to PPT X, export to PowerPoint. I'll give you. I don't promise this, but I would consider giving you access to these files. These files we've exported. I would consider giving you access to it. Call it a day here today, and do have a nice day. Do have a nice time till we meet in the next class. Goodbye, guys.